Today I finally have some time to work on the costume, finally, because I've been working a full-time job. I started it like 1 month ago. Until now I did absolutely nothing of the costume, so it's just as I left it. I only have right now the top piece, these little thingies and some fabrics cut and ready to sew, and that's all I have. And the convention is in just 2 weeks, a bit less actually. It's like next weekend, so I have very little time to work on the costume and finish it, so I'll try to get to work right now. So here I have my reference. I'm gonna try to cut out all the pieces to make the bow thingy here in the back, and just everything made in brown fabrics. I already have the red strings, these two, and I don't have fabrics for the white one, so I'll figure out what to do with that later. I'll just try to make the whole brown thing and maybe add the details as well here if I have time. Let's do it. Okay, I cut everything out finally, after much thinking, because anything was working out basically.
And then I proceeded to explain a lot of details which I can even understand myself, so I simplified it up in a little sketch you can see right here.
Now you can just pin both fabrics together, as I said. We should first iron it down, probably, so let's do that.
Here I added some interlining fabrics to make the bow stay a bit sturdier.
Something. Can you hold it, please? Okay. Like this. Right now you can't really tell the difference between the two fabrics, but since this will have a lot of golden details, it will look much better. So for now, the shape is looking pretty nice. So, I just had an idea, which I'm not sure it's gonna work because I've never done anything like this before, but I found this material, which is styrofoam, I think, and what I will do is try to carve one of the petals of the flowers in here and use it like to make all the design in each of the parts of the bow, so I don't have to draw each of them like by hand. I'll just have to carve it one, and let's try if it works. So I realized there was probably a much easier method to do all of this, which was basically cutting the pattern on EVA foam, a thin, or if you have a thicker one, and just glue it in place, and boom, you have a stamp thingy. So I made 5 different patterns now, which I'm gonna use for the details. Okay, why weren't you recording? I wonder. Okay, so yes, I finished making the patterns. Now I will just leave these to dry and move into some other parts, which also need the same patterns in different colors. It's been a few days, but finally today I'm going to start working on all the details for this cosplay, which means her headpiece, chest piece, earrings and some other things, which I already made patterns for just by tracing images of the character. So I ran out of battery on my camera, so I couldn't record it, but today I received my package from Korea, which contained thick EVA foam, which I used for my Hood House cosplay. So now I was able to use it for the pieces which I remade. I'm gonna keep just the crown part out of this, but the rest I transferred into EBFO.
Allora, ok.
Ania,
Vuoi acabar o no?
sim,
Já costurou.
eu gostará, sim. Okay. Oh, it's still alive. I forgot about you. How was it recording nice?
Sí, los veig, los veig. Que bellas, man.
Pensaba que me estabas grabando.
Grabar.
Esto es feo.
No me acuerdo.